Do you want to lose 5 pounds in 5 days and you're ready to try Modere's 5-day drop? We're going to talk about the ins and outs of this drop, whether it's safe, whether it's worth it, can you really lose 5 pounds, and what all does it entail? And so when they just launched this 5-day drop, the Revitalize is really, really hard to get in stock. So I just got mine. I'm super excited to start my 5-day drop. I'm starting it here in a few days, but the testimonials that I've seen and heard are absolutely incredible, where people are losing onwards and up from like 8 pounds, 9 pounds within the first 5 days. Some people are losing 5 pounds. It is guaranteed to help you lose 5 pounds. And we're going to talk about what all of that entails. So the first one is this Revitalize. And Revitalize is great in terms of having trace minerals, so it helps fuel your body. It gives you natural energy. It does not have caffeine because on this 5-day drop, there is no caffeine, but this is going to give you the natural energy that is needed. And this one is the one that's really flying off the shelves. It's delicious. It tastes great. It's an energy boost. Like I said, it comes within the 5-day drop package. Now, if you're wanting to get started with the 5-day drop, what I have for you is a link in the description of this video for you to purchase all of the products. And then we're also going to be talking a little bit about what do you do after the 5 days and you've lost your guaranteed at least 5 pounds. What comes next? And so after the Revitalize, the next product that's in there is our Phyto Greens. And our Phyto Greens are really, really important because we do not get enough nutrients from greens every single day. You know, some of us might eat like a carrot or a lettuce or whatever, but we're not diversifying and helping heal our microbiome by adding in these greens. So these are great. They're fantastic. I put them in my smoothies every single day. I absolutely love this product, and it gives me all of the balanced green nutrition that I personally use. Now, the next product that is in the 5-day drop is actually one of my favorites, and this is our probiotic. And what it's doing is it's going to help heal your gut, because what this 5-day drop is it's not just like a quick, easy weight loss. It's a reset of your metabolism. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are healing your gut, which is what all of these products together will do, is it's going to heal your gut. And a probiotic is a must that you should be taking every single day. And whether you're doing a 5-pound drop or not, there's so much research to the microbiome of our gut and how it's going to help your gut so that you don't have leaky gut. It helps with some of the anxious feelings. It is very, very important. They say now that your gut is the second brain because there's actually more serotonin that's made in your gut than in your brain. And so this is one of the third product that you take every single day in the 5-day drop. And then finally, it's our digestive enzymes. And this one you take after your meals. It's going to help digest your food. And especially as you get older, that gets harder to do. And so the digestive enzymes are just going to help break down the food because yes, on the 5-day drop, you are eating a very balanced diet. It is very scripted, and that's why it is a guarantee that you are going to lose up to, if not more than 5 pounds because of the 5-day drop. Now, you're probably wondering, am I dying of hunger? Am I starving myself? You are not dying of hunger. It is very balanced. You're going to have your fruits and your veggies and your protein, and it's very, very scripted. So again, the description of this video is going to give you the link to start the 5-day drop. Once you purchase, what's going to happen is you're going to get a message from me because I have your phone number, and you're going to get a text message with the exact formula of what you need to do in order to take that 5-day drop and the plan that is put in place for you to help you drop the pounds, when you eat, what time you take your supplements. All of that is very much done for you in this program. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, so I do this 5-day drop, I lose 5 pounds. It's very safe because what you're doing is you're detoxing your body. You're getting rid of the inflammation. You're losing weight, but you're also losing some of that belly fat, that sluggish belly fat, and it's giving you more energy. And you're getting a jolt, right? So much of our weight loss has to do with the psychology of how we're feeling, what we're doing. And so when we can see a little bit of success, we have the energy that we didn't have before because we're eating clean products, we're resetting our metabolism. Then what do you do next? And so what I'm going to link right over here is a video to the Lean Body Sculpting System that I made so that you can kind of dive into what happens after the 5-day reset. Now, you only want to do the 5-day reset about once a month, okay? But once you're done with the reset, we say like drop it and then lean it, right? Drop it and lean it, because I'm going to tell you about the Lean Body Sculpting System, which is maybe what you've heard, and that's our trim, that's our burn, and that's our activate. And so that's what we segue into once we've got this jumpstart with the 5-day drop. So we've got you covered to help you get a boost of energy, help you feel confident, help you lose some weight pretty quickly. At least, I mean, some people are losing 8-10 pounds within the first 5 days. And then we're going to segue into the Lean Body Sculpting System, which is more something that you can do on the daily basis. And it is, again, I've linked the video, so after this, make sure you watch it so you can get all the details on that. And don't worry, once you order from the $10 coupon that I have for you, $10 off coupon that I have for you in the description of this video, you are going to be able to get all of the information, how to take the products. I've got you covered on all aspects of that. I just need you to get started, order the products, especially now because the Revitalize is so hot. This 5-day drop has definitely gone viral, and it's getting harder and harder for Modere to keep these products in stock. So definitely make sure that you click the description of this video so that you can get a $10 off coupon on any of the bundles, and I'll put it all together for you. But if you have got any questions, my social media links are also linked in the description of this video, so definitely make sure that you reach out. And thanks again for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.